everybody, and welcome back to the amazing show of Henry Harvin Education, which is called 365 Days of 365 Courses, where we will discuss the different types of courses, the job opportunities, the eligibility criteria, and a lot more about the course. Today in frame, we have Supriya with us, who's going to tell us about the IoT course that we provide. So, hi Supriya, how are you?
I'm good, Srishti. How are you?
I'm also great, thank you. So, Supriya, tell me about what is this course?
Srishti, basically IoT is referred as Internet of Things.
Okay.
And in this, IoT is basically a communication mode where we used to insert some physical objects into any sensors or any softwares
Okay.
to detect the activities or to transfer the data from one mode to another mode.
Okay. So, is there any particular eligibility criteria that is required for this course?
Yes, definitely. For IoT, basically a student must be having a management degree or having a computer science background.
Okay, so
Yes.
graduation is preferred or graduation in computer science is preferred?
Graduation in computer science is preferred. That is
Okay.
mandatory.
That's mandatory.
Yes.
Amazing. So tell me about the job opportunities a candidate gets after the completion.
Basically, there is a lots of developer positions with IoT solution, IoT software solution,
Okay.
IoT engineer. So
Okay.
these kind of domains or these kind of platforms are open for most of the MNCs, multinational companies,
Okay.
because this is one of the most important platform. As you know, the things are
Important.
running
Yes.
digitally.
Exactly.
Yes.
So tell me about the duration for this course.
So the total duration of this course is basically 50 hours. So a
Okay.
candidate must be taking approximately 2.5 months to complete the whole course.
Okay. So Supriya, tell me about the accreditations and affiliations that Henry Harvin has.
So basically, we are as we are worldwide accredited with
Yes.
American Association of EFL, UKAF, UK CERT, MSME Government Ministry of Affairs,
Yes.
ISO, JAN University, as well as PMI Project Management Institute and NASCOM.
Okay, a
Yes.
lot of accreditations and affiliations
Yeah.
that we have. So tell me about the one USP that you think Henry Harvin has that no other edtech company has. What is that?
So basically, if we talk about one USP, firstly, our certificate that is globally accredited.
Yes.
Secondly, being as a computer engineer students, they need a lots of exposure. So here we are providing them a very convenient having work from home with physical industrial projects, and that's so in a
Yes.
live mode.
Okay.
So that is very important for them to save the traveling time and to perform all the things.
Okay.
Activities. Yeah.
So my last question to you: tell me about the job support, or do we provide internships after the completion? What is it?
Definitely. We are providing industrial projects, and for that, we do have a one separate certificates apart from the course certification.
Okay.
Secondly, we do have our internship programs with minimum time tenure of 1 month to maximum 6 months.
Okay.
In that, again, we are providing additional certification where the timings are mentioned, the dates are mentioned from which date to which date he or she is doing the internship with us.
Okay.
Yes.
That's amazing, guys. So many highlights points and so many USP, and still you are not enrolled for this amazing course. Thank you so much, Supriya, for
Thank
coming
you
and
so
joining.
much.
Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, but don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to Henry Harvin. Thank you.